Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to remove or how to delete a messenger message button from a Facebook page. So you have to go to the Facebook page first. Make sure you're logged into your Facebook page, not your Facebook account. How you can check this? You have to go to this account option. Then you'll find here your Facebook page name and your Facebook profile or your normal Facebook account name. Then you have to click and choose Facebook page name. Okay, then it will switch to your Facebook page account. Okay, now you have to click on this Facebook page name again, which is top left corner. Now we have to click on this three dot, choose page and tagging settings. Now you have to scroll down under this audience and visibility. You have to choose how people find and contact you. Click on this and you'll find here that messaging. You have to toggle this off. Okay, so this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.